right, let's roll. Come on.
Hold on, I gotta start my bike.
Oh no. Yeah, for sure.
You did do a lot of riding with that thing, but it doesn't work here already. It makes sense.
No, stay left, go left.
At least you got the GoPro shot.
Oh, yeah.
Fuck, man. You know how much I love this shit.
Mud pit time.
It is awesome to be back out here.
Oh yeah.
Beard's looking fresh.
Thank you, man. Arnold style.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I like it. Looks good though. His beard looks amazing.
Jebediah, Jeff, and Santa Claus.
Yeah.
Anybody want to get you on camera? Good Jeff, mud bogging. Oh, I like this. Please don't dump the miss.
Oh, you just cursed her now, man.
Oh, she's right behind me. Yeah.
Yeah.
Good job. Right here. Kind of, more like just avoid the mud.
Yep, all it is. A little bit of a bite, little bite. Woo!
Down.
Yeah.
But I kept it up and I kept it running.
Woo!
Yeah.
Now if I'm gonna get up out of this,
Oh my God, yeah, you can get up out of that. Come on. Oh hell yeah!
Yeah.
Oh my God!
Send it, give some goose.
Give us a goose.
There it is. Look good on that thing. Good job. Is your buddy mine going low?
Oh. Do what?
I said, is your buddy mine going slow?
No, he's got his boy with him, so he's going to go slow.
Oh, that's true. Dude, I would love to do a camp out in the woods with you guys.
Oh yeah, it'll be fun. Oh shit! Oh, oh yeah! Did you really? Oh, you're good.
Good?
Yeah, it's good. The strap is hanging down, Jeff.
Oh. Dude, that was...
You got that on film, right?
Hell yeah.
Oh, yeah.
All right. Oh, he's gonna do it. Oh no! Oh shit. Oh, he got stuck, didn't he?
Yeah, you got stuck.
Somebody help him.
Alright, I'll help.
Oh! Oh!
Yeah!
I'm so. Ah! Why'd you stop?
Oh, you should have kept it going. You should have kept that going. Yeah! 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 Woo! Oh my gosh.
I would have made that if I did not hit that bump.
Yeah. Gotta learn to wheelie over stuff.
By the way, we could have went right and went out around us, but
Oh, we need to do stuff like that.
we gotta have fun, right? That's the whole point.
Alright, Jeff.
Come on, Jeff!
Okay.
Oh.
I'm gonna turn around. Get it.
Yeah.
Get the other angle after this.
He's going to go the other way. Him and his boy is going to take the other way.
Here goes Jeff.
Come on, Jeff. It's all right.
Don't think about it, dude. The more you think about it, the worse it gets. Just send it.
Don't go. Okay, you got it. There you go. There you go.
Throttle, 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 throttle.
Oh! Oh God!
Everybody's leaking gas. Hey, woo!
All right, I got front brake. Oh!
Back brake.
All right.
Let it up.
Yeah!
Okay.
Oh, here we go.
So,
Oh! 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 Oh man!
that's fixed all
Hey,
the business.
hey! If you want to, just follow him.
Turn around and do it again.
Yeah.
Hey!
Whoa! Dude, he's gonna loop this thing so much. That thing's gonna hook and that bike's gonna go land up here on top of the hill.
Oh my God.
That's what I was trying.
Yeah, watch out, Lex. Whoa! Yeah!
Oh yeah.
All right.
Am I filming?
No.
I pressed the button. It's not working.
You're fired.
All right. Hey! Right here. I'll wait on you on the other side.
You'll lead. You'll lead. Oh, I can't see. Uh-oh.
Go down the left. Left is completely left of what I'm going through.
Okay.
That's fine. You didn't listen. So,
Like left.
yeah, dude, there's a completely smooth path to the left, but you made it. You're good.
Oh, 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 oh,
Had to wheelie it. Legs down.
oh. Yeah.
I'm not gonna make it over this.
Give it gas. Come on, you gotta go, gotta go, gotta go. Yeah. All right, hang, stop right there.
Move, Lex. Get out of the way. There he goes.
Yeah. Oh. All right.
2-stroke.
2-stroke. Oh, hell yeah. Back up, Jeff.
What we got going on over here? Comedy gold right here.
Oh, there we go. All right, this is it.
I think you forgot how to ride. I think you did better than 230.
All right. Listen to me. When you get past that little mud right there, it's the hill climb.
Jeff goes, yeah, he's carrying some speed, let's go!
Let's go, Jeff. Go, Jeff. There you go. Perfect, perfect. Keep going on top of the hill, Jeff.
Get some speed, go up the hill. Oh, carry speed, go!
There you go. Keep it going, keep it going.
That gear, just go. You don't have speed, dude.
Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. There you go.
Oh, almost.
Well, she parked it for Clyde.
Thank God he didn't hit him. You gotta carry speed. That was not fast enough.
I had it pinned.
No, you did not have it pinned. This thing rings out. I got it. I'm gonna go back down and do it. Easy your kickstart, you gotta learn how to bump start too.
Where's Joe go? Oh.
He's up here. We're all up here waiting. What do you think, man?
Oh, good job.
Yeah, thanks.
You made it.
Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. No, it's not speed, no, no speed. No.
Oh,
Woo! Turn it around. Tell him to turn it around.
Anna.
Hey, Tanner, nobody likes show-offs. Oh, shit. That's a difficult spot, man. I would try to turn it around, point it down the hill.
let's do it twice. It's more fun.
I'm surprised I made it up first try.
Oh, hell yeah, man. You're doing good.
I've never been up here on a dirt bike.
Yeah?
One thing I've been up there is a side-by-side four-wheeler.
Oh, wow.
You can bring a side-by-side through here?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. There's side-by-sides that come through here all the time. How you doing, Lex?
I'm good. I'm sweating.
Two.
There, he's got it.
Oh, you're climbing on the wrong side.
Oh, man.
Uh-oh. Watch out, that tree it's gonna break. Oh my God. Damn show off.
What'd you say about Senna's?
Called me a fat ass.
Oh shit, watch out, Tanner.
I'm taking the seat.
Oh. Oh.
Oh!
Tanner, do it.
You're gonna have to do it for him.
You good?
That should be a really good path. If you stay on the right side.
Damn.
Dude, that was a good crash.
That was a full send.
Yeah. He's one of my basketball players, Jeff.
Oh, yeah? Nice to meet you, Jeff.
This is Sikkim, Ohio.
Oh.
That there in the green shirt down there, the one that's
Send it again?
that's yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that guy.
The videos.
Yes, he watches our videos.
Nice. You like 'em?
Unsubscribe from attention deficit.
Look at it. Watch it. Watch him. Look at him.
So all you need to do is carry momentum. All you need to do is carry momentum. I do the same thing on the 150.
Dude, he makes it look easy. Wait till you see Dustin on here on the trails. He-
Let's go, DJ.
Is my
If we have to take him to the hospital,
Yeah, everything's good.
Uh-oh, he's struggling down there.
Uh-oh. Tanner, you might have to do it for him, dude. I don't know if he can do it.
save his energy too.
Yeah, he's going to be wore out by the time he gets done with this hill.
You gotta learn, man.
Oh, I know. Oh, God.
Lex made it farther.
You're getting beat by a girl, dude. Oh, so, yeah. Woo! Get it.
Get it.
Get it.
something fell, like off the bike.
What? Uh-oh.
Off the grip?
I hope that ain't the throttle.
Hey, you alright down there? He's ignoring me.
Some of your GoPro just died.
Mine playing?
Yep.
Yours is playing.
I heard it.
Hers is going. It must be Tanner's.
Or the one on your bike.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Is that a loud one?
Yeah.
DJ!
Oh. Oh, not enough speed. Not enough speed again.
Good.
Oh, he's got it. Oh.
Oh my god!
Oh, watch your foot. Watch your foot.
Yeah.
Woo! Oh my God.
What happened to his bike?
Oh, his grip.